In this video, I will show you how to log into Phantom Wallet. Now, I already have logged into one account right here, but if you don't even have an account yet, then you can still do this. So once you first download the app, you will see a screen similar to this, and you just want to click login, and then you have a few options. So you can then here just connect your hardware wallet if you want to do that, or most often you want to import a secret recovery phrase, but you can also import a private key if it's a single chain account, but this is what most people will do. So you have a 24-word secret recovery phrase and just enter each word right here. And wherever the wallet is imported from, it can also be Phantom Wallet on your phone, for example. You will have a recovery phrase and just enter all of these words and then click import wallet, and then it will be imported onto your Phantom Wallet account. So now you know how to log in to Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.